This video is made possible by Vagabond Vacations. Today we're shooting in Hotel Diamante. I'm here with Erika. We're going to be shooting some POV photography with the Canon RF 1.8. Let's get into the video and start shooting. Can you move a little bit towards me in front of the leaf here so it doesn't cover your face? I'll shoot from over here so we get a little bit of foreground. Gonna create some depth. You go a little bit to your left and maybe you can do a small walk forward. We'll do it a couple of times just so we have a couple of shots, and then I'll show you what we are working on. We do it one more time where you do the walk, and in the end you can make a turn towards this side. Go for it, I'm ready. Okay, make a quick turn. You can walk back. Okay, let's have a quick look. We see some sun peeking through.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. I like them.
We explore, see what we get. Or we use the hammock.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool.
Because I see there's a little bit of sunlight hit the hammock in the meantime. Maybe sitting on it, let's try it. So let's have a look through the lens. This side looks good on you. Maybe make one from here. These are very nice. Yes. Could you bring the legs a little bit more inwards? This is gonna look nicer. Okay. One of these are gonna be like really killer shot.
What about one standing like?
Yeah, sure. I did like this angle, so I think I'll continue shooting from here. This is gonna work. A little wooden walkway.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'm not sure if it's padded or not, but I think we should check it out. Sometimes in a shoot you have to build the set a little bit. Right now the model is doing it, but maybe I quit talking and help a little bit. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention Very Slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. It's very soft light. Yeah, it looks better if you arch the back a little bit. Maybe I can shoot some through this to create a little bit more texture. Quite a good spot. Let me show you real quick what we are working with. You like the ones with the hands up?
I do like them.
Maybe we make a couple more like this.
Yeah.
Okay. We can do one. We put your hair together because you got quite long hair. You can stretch it up. I think it's gonna be more powerful. And you can look very strong. Instead of like in the camera, look a little bit over the camera. Maybe we can use one of the sunbeds.
Yeah, let's do it.
We will have to move you a little bit there. I like it, you can play around a little bit with the hair. Maybe somewhere here. Oh yeah, no, this is a good one. Let's see.
I see. Ah, that's cool.
Maybe I make a close-up just to have some variation. This is gonna be a good one also. You have strong eyes actually. I'm trying to find the open spot, you know, where we get really a lot of scenery. And we move a little bit down. Bam. I even go a little bit further. I really want the full scenery on there. Good, I'll make some closer ones as well. Yeah, I like the one where you lean a little bit with one hand against it. It's your... Yeah, it's your baby or something. Yeah, come on. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching these short POV kind of photography videos. Like the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.